Hi, I'm Dave at TMD Motorhomes. If you're looking for a top-end VW camper van, look no further than the amazing Danbury. Danbury are based in Bridgewater in Taunton and have been making VW camper vans since 1964, so they definitely know what they're doing. The 18-inch alloy wheels by BBS look absolutely amazing. We'll even clean them before you take delivery. So Danbury used the renowned company Remo for their pop tops. With the ventilation, it's a match made in heaven. Our Danbury here uses the 150 brake horsepower 2-litre diesel engine, and it's accompanied by the DSG Auto box. The upholstery is embossed with the Danbury moniker, and this rib bed is really flexible. It allows you to sit up in bed if you choose to do so. Flipped over, you sleep on the underside, so you're not on a cold leather top. Despite the typical British weather like we have today, being in the Danbury is really comfortable in these captain's chairs. If you'd like to know more about the options, give us a call here at TMD Motorhomes or visit our website on www.tmdmotorhomes.com.